Welcome to Adells channel. This video is dedicated to educational activities and tutorials, providing helpful information for parents. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of manual pumps, a fantastic tool for many. This simple and convenient device allows you to express precious output without needing electricity, offering a gentle and comfortable experience. Before we begin, proper preparation is key. Always ensure all parts of your pump are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once clean, assemble your pump carefully, making sure all components fit snugly together. Now let's talk about how it works. Position the soft silicone flange comfortably. It's designed to fit securely, creating an effective seal. To initiate the process, simply squeeze the handle. You'll feel a gentle suction as you pump. Movements should be smooth and steady. Many find that within about a minute, the desired flow usually begins. When done correctly, the process is designed to be gentle and without discomfort. You might be wondering, why choose a manual pump? This method is excellent for various reasons. It can help relieve feelings of fullness. It's perfect for building up a supply for later use. It actively supports your natural output, maintaining a healthy volume. As you can see, collecting output with this method is very successful. Finally, proper cleaning and maintenance of your pump are vital. Always follow the guidelines for disassembly and cleaning to ensure its longevity and, most importantly, to keep your collected output pure and safe. That's all for now on using your manual pump. With your output collected, the next crucial step is to preserve this valuable supply properly so it doesn't spoil. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. And don't forget to give this video a like.